James from Mastiff Metalworks here. If you made it this deep into the video without falling asleep or skipping ahead, I appreciate you. So what's this all about? I want to make more of these DIY how-to instructable type videos. They take a lot of time though. Moving the camera around out in the shop really slows me down. Editing here in my office is like a whole nother time-consuming thing. So I don't want them to fall on deaf ears. I'm not trying to make them for myself. I like looking at myself on camera as much as the next guy, but that's not why I do this. I want people to see kind of the art of making guitars and parts and working with steel by hand. There's still a lot of us out there who choose not to utilize a CNC machine and CAD files to make our things. And eventually I'd like to do a full series on building an entire electric guitar from start to finish, from bare wood all the way to setup, intonation, putting it in the case, and sending it to its new and rightful owner. So in the description below, I've kind of lined out where I'm trying to get before I can justify starting to make these type of videos. It's really easy. You don't even have to leave YouTube. Just subscribe to the two channels linked below, one of which is this one, Mastiff Metalworks. And the other is Discordance Electric, our company that we're partnered with, that we make these baritone guitars with. And in the comments below, tell me what city you live in, and out of your entire guitar collection, past and present, what's been your favorite? What guitar have you owned or currently own that inspired you the most? When I hit 250 subscriptions on this channel, I will pick one of you from that list at random and get in touch with you, and we'll build you a full parts kit for the guitar of your choosing. Steel or aluminum. Got about 10 different options as far as finish goes, and it's every part. Pickguard, control plate, jack plate, truss rod cover, you name it. If it bolts onto the guitar, I'll custom make it for you by hand, put it in the mail. Shipping's on me, parts are on me, labor's on me. So again, thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.